Hi everyone, this is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite tablet. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet. To remove the screen, gently heat the edges until the adhesive softens. For this process, we are using a heating pad. Place the backward side on the heating pad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to apply heat around the edges. Once heating is complete, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the frame. For better results, place the suction cup near the sides of the screen. Please note that some tablets may require additional heating to fully loosen the adhesive. Carefully insert a plastic cup pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time. Be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to separate the adhesive. Next, gently lift the screen and flip it over to rest on the body. Next, remove the protective tape covering the display connector. And then lift the connector latch and gently slide out the display cable. You can now separate the screen from the body. Next, remove the mid frame by undoing 35 screws from the frame. Next, gently lift the frame from the body. Finally, disconnect the battery connector. You have now successfully opened the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite tablet for repairs.